Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel a single item on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply open your launchpad, and once you open your launchpad, you need to simply locate the Temu app on your device. So once you have located the Temu app, simply tap it open, and once you have tapped it open, you need to now simply get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account as well, you will end up in this kind of interface where you will find your profile. So now to cancel a single item on Temu, simply access your order history. There you can locate the relevant order you want to cancel, and once you have done this, you can find a cancel item button on side of that particular order. So simply select cancel item and follow the on-screen instructions to choose the item you want to cancel. Now provide a reason and select a preferred refund method, and if the item has already been packed, you can still return it for a refund after receiving the package. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.